Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to reactivate Facebook account. So firstly, I'm going to deactivate my account and then I'll show you how to reactivate it. So what you have to do is just open your Facebook application and go to your profile, tap on settings in the top right corner, and in settings you have to tap on personal information. And now you can see this manage account. Tap on this and then you can see the deactivate button here. Just tap on it. After this you have to enter your password. After entering the password, tap on continue and they will ask you what is the reason to deactivating your account. So tap on this. This is temporary. I'll be back. Tap on continue and it asked me to do a bunch of other stuff if I want to, and it says do I want to automatically activate, and I'll just say no and tap continue here and then just hit deactivate my account. So you can see at the very top here says account deactivation successful. So I have successfully deactivated that account, and if I want to reactivate it, all I want to do is tap on this login to another account and then I have to fill my email address, number or password. Make sure you get the correct email address or password that you just deactivated your account. Then just hit the login button and it will take a second, but you can see I am back into my account. It has been fully reactivated. So basically all you have to do is just log back into your Facebook account and it will reactivate that Facebook account as long as you haven't fully deleted anything. So I hope this helped you out. If it is, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.